Welcome to Health Equals Wellness. In this video, we will be discovering how our brain ages. Don't worry, it's not all at once. Scientists have found that our brains age in distinct phases. From 13 blood proteins predicting your brain age gap to actionable tips on keeping your brain sharp, we will explore the fascinating world of brain health, including how brain health affects our mental health. Stick around because you won't want to miss the surprising ways you can boost your brain power. Segment 1. Brain ages at different rates. Your brain doesn't age steadily. Research shows it undergoes significant changes at specific ages. These milestones start around our late teens, our mid-30s, and our late 60s. These are benchmarks when your brain's structure and function shift the most. For example, in your teens, the brain refines connections, making you smarter and more efficient. By your mid-30s, cognitive speed starts to plateau, and in your late 60s, memory may decline, but wisdom and problem-solving often improve. Segment 2. The brain age gap and blood proteins. What's your brain age gap? This is the difference between your brain's actual age and how old it functions biologically. Scientists have identified 13 blood proteins that act like a report card for your brain health. These proteins can indicate whether your brain is aging faster or slower than expected. This knowledge could revolutionize early detection of Alzheimer's or dementia. Some proteins are tied to inflammation, others to immune response. Keeping these proteins in balance is key, which brings us to the most exciting part: what you can do to keep your brain young. Segment 3. Lifestyle choices for brain health. It's time for some brain hacks. Your lifestyle has a profound impact on your brain health. Let's break these down. Number 1. Diet. Support the blood-brain barrier, BBB, which prevents harmful substances and proteins from leaking into the brain. To maintain its integrity, a diet rich in antioxidants, think blueberries, spinach, and nuts, protects your brain from oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish help build brain cell membranes. They can include salmon, sardines, and chia seeds. And yes, dark chocolate is on the list. Just stick to 70% cocoa or higher. Incorporating these foods supports autophagy, the brain's natural cleaning process. Avoid excessive sugar, trans fats, and processed foods, which can harm the blood-brain barrier. Number 2. Multivitamins. Do multivitamins work? If your diet lacks key nutrients, multivitamins can help ensure you get essential vitamins and minerals. For brain health, B vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, reduce homocysteine, a compound linked to brain shrinkage. Vitamin D is important for neuroprotection and brain signaling. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress. Iron supports oxygen transport to the brain. But remember, supplements are not a substitute for a balanced diet. Number 3. Exercise. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's a brain booster too. Exercise encourages the growth of new neurons, neurogenesis, particularly in the hippocampus, a brain region critical for memory and learning. This effect is linked to the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron survival, growth, and plasticity. Regular physical activity enhances cognitive function, attention, memory, and executive functions, e.g., planning, decision-making, and problem-solving. Exercise also lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promotes the release of endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, elevating mood and reducing stress and anxiety. These chemical changes combat inflammation in the brain, which can impair cognitive functions. They boost mental clarity and reaction times, making the brain more efficient at processing information. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking a day makes a difference. Number 4. Sleep. Good sleep is known as your brain's cleanup crew. During sleep, the glymphatic system becomes more active, flushing out waste products and toxins that build up during the day, including beta-amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. This cleaning process helps protect against neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. During sleep, particularly during deep, slow-wave sleep, the brain processes and consolidates information learned during the day. Neural connections are strengthened, unnecessary information is pruned, and long-term memories are stored. Sleep helps regulate emotions by enabling the brain to process and respond to emotional experiences. Insufficient sleep can impair the amygdala, emotion center, leading to heightened emotional reactivity and difficulty managing stress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to keep those mental gears running smoothly. Number 5. Mental exercise. Mental exercises stimulate neurons and reinforce neural pathways, making brain circuits stronger and more efficient. Some mental exercises, particularly those that are novel and challenging, may stimulate the growth of new neurons, neurogenesis, especially in the hippocampus, which is essential for memory and learning. Keep your brain active and sharp with mental workouts. Puzzles, learning new skills, learning a new language, or even playing musical instruments build cognitive reserves. Number 6. Smoking. You think smoking is bad for your lungs, it's even worse for your brain. Tobacco accelerates brain aging by damaging blood vessels. Smoking generates free radicals, leading to oxidative stress, which damages brain cells and DNA. The toxic compounds in cigarette smoke weaken the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that prevents harmful substances from entering the brain. A compromised BBB allows more toxins and inflammatory agents to reach the brain, contributing to aging and cognitive decline. But the good news, making small changes today can reverse these effects over time. Blood flow and oxygen levels improve, restoring some cognitive functions. Inflammation and oxidative stress decrease over time, allowing the brain to repair itself. The risk of stroke and dementia gradually declines. Number 7. Mental health. Serotonin and dopamine decline can increase the risk of depression and anxiety. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid levels may decrease, leading to heightened stress or difficulty calming down. Example, older adults may experience increased irritability or feelings of sadness due to biochemical changes. Segment 4. Surprising factors you may not know. Here's the unexpected stuff. Chronic stress shrinks your hippocampus, the memory center. Mindfulness and meditation can combat that. Loneliness is as bad as smoking. Stay socially active to protect your brain. Owning a pet reduces stress hormones and boosts mood. Your brain is your most valuable asset, so treat it well. Whether it's a handful of berries, a brisk walk, or a new hobby, small steps today lead to big changes tomorrow. Comment below and let's keep this brain-boosting conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content from Health Equals Wellness.